Used to have a girl that David, but I want you to stay. I want you to stay.
Good morning. I know I look rough. I'm waiting to get my car serviced. It's gonna take about another hour, I think. So I got some breakfast and Starbucks. So let's see. Let's see how this is. Comes with sea chips. Kind of big. Look how it is. Okay. This is like the best part. I guess it looks good. Okay. Okay, let's see. Ooh, my hair is okay, guys. So I'm still drinking my my Starbucks. My car is finally ready, so I'm gonna go walk in my car. All I was doing was promoting, thinking of new ideas, because today I want to film a video, but I don't exactly know what I want to talk about, but I have an idea. So yeah, let's get this car. Hold on, guys. All right, so I just got done filming a little video about dating, like red flags. Yeah, I had so much fun. I need to do a part 2 to it. I need to wash this makeup off. I probably need to do a face mask too, because I've been neglecting my hair. I have a hair appointment tomorrow, so I'm good. Yeah, I've been neglecting my skincare. I'm getting better with doing my hair too. Like it's been a rough, like this quarantine. This quarantine was real, guys, for me. I was going through, you know, like I don't hear people talk about it, but the quarantine was rough for me. It was a lot going on with me personally. Yeah, it was rough. I don't know, I don't want to say it was the depression I was going through, because I don't want to put nothing negative on me, but I was going through something. But I feel like I'm getting back to myself. Like during that time, I did neglect my skincare. Of course, I gained some weight. The quarantine 15 is real. My skincare, hair, like I said, I was neglecting a lot of stuff during this time, and I'm slowly getting back to myself. Yeah, so I don't know what it was, but I'm happy. I'm not even talking to that guy anymore. If you guys, I feel like that was the worst. That was the worst. Yeah, it was up there of the worst relationships. I wish I never met him. He's up there with that. I talked about it briefly in this video I just recorded. It's more so to help people. Like I did the 7 signs red flag, something like that. I don't know what I'm gonna name the video, but that's why I just recorded. So it's 8:30. I'm doing good timing. I might get on live. I don't know if I should get back on live because I was on live earlier today, or should I just start editing this video? If I get on live, I can be on live for like 30 minutes. And this is not alcohol. I'm drinking apple cider. You guys, this is the original. Oh, it's not focusing. Yeah, apple cider. You guys know I'm in love. So I'm thinking what I should do. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, and my cousin, she's having a birthday party coming in April. She said she want to go to Atlanta. I don't know if it's gonna fall through, because you guys know when we plan something, when it's too far, in the future, some stuff falls apart. So I'm like, I don't know what's going on with that, but I am kind of excited of going to Atlanta because I never been. I just had a layover there. That was it. I've never been to Atlanta, and yeah, I want to go. But I'm thinking if she cancels, I'll probably still go. But we have not like booked a flight or a hotel. So hopefully by Friday I know something, because yeah, like the following month after April, me and my mom are going on a vacation. That's already paid and booked. Everything's paid and ready. See, me and mom, we don't play when it comes to vacations. We pay, make sure everything's paid for in advance and all this. So I'm like, I'm not used to waiting, you know what I mean? Because I feel like we wait too long, it's not gonna happen. And I'm getting excited. That's why I'm trying to hold myself back. I don't want to get too excited, you know. All right. Let's get on live. So I'm gonna get on live real quick. Oh, hold on. So I'm getting on live for a minute, and then I'm going to edit tonight. Today was kind of boring. Like, all I did was like get my car service. What am I doing? Okay, that's what I'm doing. Okay. Alright. So, yeah. And I'm trying to think, like, do I have anything like coming up? We just have a pop-up coming up this week. Of course, we do pop-ups every week. That was about it. And then Saturday, I'm having I always say meet my mom, but she's throwing this party for me. It's a second do-over to my birthday. So that's gonna be it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I have been so consistent on YouTube. I have been uploading at least 3 times a week. Yeah, I have tunnel vision. I'm not playing this year with YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.